Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW, pretty much any BMW guys, and you have a 6-cylinder gasoline engine, I'm talking about all these engines guys, N51, N52, N53, N54 or engine N55 guys. And you have all these 8 codes guys. You can see them in the corner of the video below, in the corner of the video guys, okay, and we'll have them in the description of the video below as well. Also, if you have any of those 8 codes guys, we'll explain what causes that and how to fix it. Now, I don't want to say each one of them, but you can see them guys, and we'll explain the most common reason, okay, and the most common solution that we see here at the shop most of the times guys. Now, quick introduction to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Specifically guys, on BMWs we make close to 400-500 videos. Why we do all that? Simply guys, because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return guys, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information. Now, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts or tools, we'll have the link shared in the description of the video below for your convenience. So specifically here guys, okay, we have a BMW N52 6-cylinder straight gasoline engine, but even if you have a different engine guys, okay, N51, N52, 3, 4 or 5, all of them will be that way guys. Now, we'll explain what can cause any of these codes. So this is guys the intake manifold on the car guys. Okay, it's usually mounted right here, and this is where your intake valves are. We had to remove it. If you want to see the video, everything from start to finish, very detailed tutorial video how to remove the intake manifold, we have it on the channel. Check it out, and I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below. Every time you remove it, put new gaskets for the intake manifold. That's a mandatory thing guys, so don't forget to do that. Second, before you start removing the intake manifold, always disconnect the car battery, because you're super close to a positive wire coming to the engine starter and the alternator as well. And as a result guys, okay, what could happen here actually, you can guys okay, you can short things out if you touch those wires, so always disconnect the car battery. Now, there is always a big difference which battery terminal you disconnect first, positive or negative, and which one you reconnect first. So if you do not know that, okay, check out the video, it explains everything. It will be the same for all vehicles. We'll have the link shared in the description of the video below. Once you guys remove the intake manifold, you have 2 sensors here, okay, and let me explain to you. This is sensor 1, this is known as NOx sensor 1, NOx sensor 2 guys. You have 2 of them on that 6-cylinder engine. The first sensor is for cylinder number 1, 2 and 3. It detects the count of NOx, so it can adjust the timing and all that stuff. And you have sensor 2 for cylinder 4, 5 and 6. Practically it thinks that you have 2 engines in one guys, so it can control things a little bit better and adjust it individually for the first 3 cylinders and the second 3 cylinders. Now, if you have any of these codes, most likely you have a bad NOx sensor guys. If you want to see how to test one, we'll have the video on the channel how to test a NOx sensor. Check it out, it will explain everything from start to finish, but there is not a 100% way to tell if they're good or bad. And you don't even need to know which one it is. Why? Simply because you have to remove and replace both of them at the same time. Okay, this is the connector right here, both of them just plug in here, okay, and you reconnect them and everything is ready to go. You will need a special tool to remove them. This is the tool, that's what it looks like guys. This is called reverse torques. We'll have the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. So if you guys have any questions, let us know. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more help, and see you guys next time.